Hi guys, I'm Ajit from SVC Bangalore from Department of Basic Science. So I'll be talking about the types and functions of a staircase. So this topic belongs to Introduction of Civil Engineering. So yeah, let's get started. For the introduction, staircase are essential and architectural elements which provides access from one level of a building to another level of building. So understanding its function and characteristics helps us to develop a proper type of staircase for the type of building, and different types of staircase suit different types of architectural design for a building. So yeah, let's get started. Here in the types of staircases, we can see the straight staircase, the spiral staircase, the curved staircase, and the L-shaped staircase. So these are the four most commonly seen. Among those, the straight staircase is the most familiar one to us. So let's see them in a more descriptive manner in the next slides. So the types of staircases. The first one is the straight staircase. This is the most common one. The most common staircase is the straight staircase. So this one is straightforward and the design is linear, so it is used in most of the commercial and industrial buildings. It is simple and easy to navigate through it, and it increases the ease of construction and maintenance as the design is easy. So the next one is the L-shaped staircase. The L-shaped staircase has two narrow flights or lines which are perpendicular to each other, which makes 90-degree angle with each other. These staircases provide a compact design, or it is used in a compact room or a building, which uses a very small amount of footprint to navigate. Its navigation is a bit tough compared to the straight staircase. Its maintenance is also a bit tough. The next one is spiral staircases, the third one. Spiral staircases are known for its unique and unusual design. Its look is very eye-catchy and elegant. This is a very good space-saving solution. These are constructed in more compact rooms or buildings compared to the L-shaped staircase. These are more compact. It requires a amount of effort to put in to navigate as it's a bit helical in structure, and its design mostly depends on the engineer, and it's mostly helical, but the design depends on the engineer. And the next one is the curved staircase. The curved staircase is mostly called as a royal type of staircase because it's very grand in the way they look. So its design again depends on the engineer. It has a seamless transition between two floors, which is in between. It has a visually appealing curve. It, it's a good curve actually, and maintaining it is a bit more compared to the straight staircase. These are mostly found in popular buildings and high-end and public buildings as well. Let's move on to the functions of a staircase. The first function is to provide access between different levels of a building. This is the basic and primary function of a stair, that is to provide Navigation from one level of a building to another level of a building. This is the most common and safe, convenient means of navigation used for vertical circulation. The second one is enhance architectural design. This depends on the engineer whether to enhance or make it simple. The stairs can be visually appealing if the engineer is a good artist. They can be designed in various styles with using various materials. Its finishing complements is overall to the architectural designer, that is the engineer. And the third function of a staircase is to promote physical activity. Using a stair instead of using the elevator or escalator helps our lifestyle to gain a healthier lifestyle. So this basically helps our joints and muscles to improve in our legs. And climbing the stairs is a form of exercise that helps our health in terms of cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and overall fitness to be maintained properly. The fourth function of a staircase is for emergency evacuation. When we come to the stairs in a multi-story building, it doesn't provide that much of a value until it's a natural disaster or in case of a fire, which is basically emergencies. They provide a better and safe and reliable route for people to exit from a multi-storied building easily and fast. The fifth function of a staircase is storage space. If there is a waste space underneath the staircase or beside the staircase, it can be utilized as storage. This can be done in various forms. Some of them are built-in cabinets, shelves, or drawers. These can maximize the availability of space which are useless in a building, and it is the amount of creativity put in by the engineer as well. The sixth one is the architectural focal point. Stairs can be designed in a way which is visually appealing or centerpiece of a building in terms of interior design. They can be made grand, unique, simple, visually striking, or becoming a point of talk in the neighborhood, which adds character and elegance to the overall space or to the overall building. This depends on the architectural design made by the engineer, and the all the compliments goes to the engineer. As a conclusion, we could say that staircase is just not a functional element in a building. It is the thought process done by the engineer, which makes the building more visually appealing and unique. For example, we can see the curved staircase made like a straight and narrow one, which is also looking good compared to the curved one. And this is more elegant and simple. This is more grand. The last one is the spiral one, which can be done like this or this. So the compactness is also shown in this one, and the L-shaped one is also used for compactness. So all of these staircases are used in sustainability also. As we develop a building, we can unlock the hidden potential of staircases, and it is also in a way useful for our promoting our health in terms of fitness. So these staircases can be a talk in the town when it's done in an innovative manner, and it can be inspired from various types of designs, and etc. So, in conclusion, we can just say that stairs are not just the functional element of a building.